Changmiti Productions.
Hi guys, I'm back again with another video, and this time it's the Cartier Love Ring Pink Gold review. Alright, I've just finished doing the unboxing of it. If you haven't checked it out, do check it out. Okay, so yeah, in this video I won't be going through what you'll be getting when you purchase this love ring, because I've already done that in the unboxing video. So I'll just be mainly going through the usage of this ring and the reliability of it, the durability and everything of that nature. So as you can see, I got the love ring in pink gold right here. Okay, so as you can see, the design itself, it basically is a very simple design. It just revolves around a lot of the screw motifs, which is what got Cartier famous in the first place because of its love bracelet. Okay, so as you can see, it is very simple and it's very elegant. Alright, so as you can see, I have it sized for my index finger, and it matches very well with my Trinity ring that I have on. Okay, right here. Okay, so I would strongly recommend you to get this love ring instead of the wedding band version, because I have tried the wedding band. I've actually bought one wedding band with one diamond, which I will review in the next in another video. Okay, so I do feel that the wedding band version is not that substantial compared to this. Okay, so I would strongly recommend you to get this, because at least it is much more substantial when you're wearing it on your fingers, which is the main point of you getting a ring, right? Yeah. Of course, I do acknowledge that there are some of you who prefer delicate pieces. So yeah, you by all means choose what you like. Yeah. There's a reason why the wedding band version is even there, because there are some of you that prefer the wedding band version because you like the more delicate look and the more toned down look. Do take note that this love ring, regarding the durability wise, will not be that durable, because as you can see, this is high polished. So you tend to have scratches if you daily wear it. Okay, I do not daily wear it, that's why it still looks very pristine. Okay, I'm just gonna take a cloth and clean it. Okay, so as mentioned, this durability wouldn't be that good because it is very high polished, which is what I like as well. But yeah, the disadvantage is that it's very easily prone to getting scratches, especially if you daily wear it. So do take note. Okay, but do not worry regarding that, because if your scratches is not that deep, you can send in to Cartier for some cleaning, which is free. And yeah, Cartier will help you clean it and you'll be shining again. Okay, but for the deeper scratches, you are able to send in to Cartier as well for polishing, which is a separate charge. Yeah, you will be charged regarding the polishing, because there's a polishing fee involved. Okay, yeah, and I guess that's about it for this review, because there's really nothing much to talk about. Do let me know what other videos you are interested in watching, and if I do have the item, or if I'm able to film the video, I will gladly do it. Thank you for watching. Peace out.